So you go to eatingforyourhealing.com. To begin your healing, just click on that button right there and then enter your name. Real name is not necessary. Right here you put your first name to start, and you select your age group. You're going to put in your health goals. What's your primary health goal? What symptom do you experience most often? Alright, right here is where it gets your body type. So which best describe your natural body type? You could either be a slim and lean build, or medium, or fuller, or larger build, or you could be a mix of the other three. Next you have diet and lifestyle. Are you pescatarian? That means you only eat fish. Or are you eating a lot of meat-based type diet? Are you plant-based diet? You know, how's your digestion most of the time? So how do you feel after you eat your food? Next, how you describe your current stress level? Are you very stressed out? Next, do your energy and mood change noticeably with the season? This is the part of my website that is very unique because it includes food heritage from around the world, and so everybody is included. You got Caribbean, South Asian, East Asian, Mediterranean, European, soul food, indigenous, Latin American, everything is there. Which of these healing foods do you already enjoy and want to explore? And because of the power of the AI, it's able to go out there based on your previous selection and put together the foods that you're familiar with in your food heritage. If you chose Caribbean food, you're going to see a whole bunch of food that are familiar to people who eat Caribbean food. Now right here is where it's going to ask you for, if you have any health sensitivity, whether it be high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, kidney issues, IBS, thyroid, immune. It's asking you this because, it can't recommend meals to you and without knowing these details. So right here it asks you, what draws you most to holistic health? Whether you want to use your food as medicine, you want dealing with weight issues, you want to learn more about your body. So right here is where it goes out there, and it's now prompting the AI to provide you specific recommendations and meal plan based on your question, how you answered the questions. It's very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. If we're gonna use AI, I might as well use it for good and to help people. So here you go. You got your free preview. This is free. It's gonna give you a basic rundown of what's going on with you, showing you your key imbalance, right? And if you just wanted to stop right here, you'll be able to email these recommendations to yourself, right? Enter your email there and hit send, and it goes right into your inbox. Remember to check your junk mail or spam after you send an email, okay? Now if you wanted to go further and find out more, get more details into what's going on with you and what foods you need to eat so you could feel better, or you could heal, then you could unlock your full health plan. This would cost at least $100 to $300, guys, and I'm doing this with the leveraging AI. We're able to get this done for just $9.99. Right there is just a little bio of me and how I went to the school and why I chose to put this together. I graduated from the Academy of Healing Nutrition back in 2020. So right here you get a full healing package, which includes the recipes, and that's for $12.99. If you only want if you just want the full consultation, it's for $9.99, but you're just not gonna have the recipes with it. So if you don't need the recipe, you don't have to have the recipe. So if you click on full package, it's gonna go over to where you check out. So right here you have the checkout process. Make it very easy and seamless. We accept all major cards, Cash App, everything. Apple Pay, Link, everything. Alright, so after you hit pay, you get routed back to the website. There you go. See that it's unlocked. You're gonna get this share and earn your rewards option. It's optional if you want to take part. You register your code, and it's gonna launch another page where it gives you an option to complete the form here, where you add your name, your email address, the code. So you paste the code right there, and your payment options, and that's it for that part. Okay, so now you're back to the report. So here you have food as medicine. It's going to recommend the foods that you really should be focusing on to bring balance back to your health, right? Gives you that. Then it also gives you some daily practices, mindfulness, stuff like that you need to do to keep your stress levels low. And it also gives you a path forward. I'm showing you here the translation for people who speak a different language. And then you have your 5-day healing meal plan. By clicking on the arrow on the right, you're able to expand the meal plan. Yep. Really good. So you get 5 days. Now here you have the recipes. Just by clicking on the arrow on the right, you're able to expand your recipe, just like you see there. This is really good. Always make sure to send the, put your email in there, send it to you so you could have it saved, okay? Don't get out of the page, or else you lose everything. Right here, you could give just a rating of your consultation. Submit the review after you're done. Or save as a PDF. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.